Missing someone.
Class, how you doing? Today we're going to make dinner rolls, also known as buns. So we're going to start with a cup of warm milk, this cup right here. So now that our cup of warm milk is warmed, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of yeast, just like this. So after that, we're going to stir it well, and then we are going to add our margarine or butter inside the milk too. So as we are measuring, we realize that 130 grams of margarine or butter is equivalent to half of this cup. So that is what we did. We put margarine, half of it. So to help the margarine melt faster, we put hot water in another bowl and then placed our bowl with milk on top, so that when you add margarine and stir it or stir it, whatever you call it, it will melt faster. Okay. We are going to add now half a cup of sugar. If you can add more if you have a sweet tooth. Okay, raha jipe mwenyewe mama ama daddy. And we're going to stir that, and then now we are going to put in our 2 eggs. Leave a little bit of it that you are going to use to brush the flour or the buns before you put them in an oven. Okay, then we're going to put in our 2 cups of all-purpose flour and stir that. What we want to have a hard dough, just like that one for mandazi or for chapati. I'm just going to show you how it's going to go. Okay. So now at this point, we are past equipment. We're going to use our hands to really knead that dough, get in there so that we can get that hard dough that is like mandazi or chapati. Finyanga, do it, knead it until you get that hard dough I'm talking about. So now we're going to add a tablespoon of cooking oil, or you can use that kifuniko for that cooking oil to make sure that oil, just use one of it, pour it on top of it, and we are going to knead it with our hands, not touch the way I'm touching it right now. I was holding the camera, that is why I was just massaging it, but you really need to get in there so that the oil can get kwa unga yote. Okay. Now that we are done, we are going to cover it, and then we're going to put it in a warm place. In this case, a warm place is inside the oven for us. We're going to let it stay there for 2 hours so that the flour can rise. It's called flour proofing. Okay. So 2 hours later, here is our flour. Look at how it has risen. Wow, it looks nice, right? Right. Okay, now we're just going to poke it a little bit so that you can remove the extra air that it's inside. Okay. Okay, then we're going to prepare it into balls and make our dinner rolls. Okay. Okay, first let me show you the chocolate chips that I'm going to use. I'm using the dark chocolate chips. Here they are. So here is where we are going to bake our dinner rolls or buns. So I'm just going to apply margarine inside the baking pan. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to take out small balls, roll them, flatten them, then I'm going to put in the chocolate chips, cover it. Okay. Okay, you can make it into any shape that you want. Anything that you want to make it into, you can make any shape you like. Okay, it's your dinner rolls, it's your buns, you do them as you please. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Now that we're all done, we're going to cover it again and put it in a warm place. In this case, it's going to be our oven for us for another 1 hour to let it rise again. It's called proofing your flour. Okay. Okay. This is 1 hour later. You see now they are bigger than they were before. Okay. Okay, now what we're going to do is that, you remember the egg I told you to put aside? We are going to take that and just brush it on top of the buns so that it can give the buns or the dinner rolls a shine, so that it can turn brown nicely on the top. Okay. Okay, we do not have a brush in this case. We are going to use a spoon. Okay. Okay. So now we are done. We're going to put this in the oven. Heat is 180 degrees. We're going to put it there for 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to preheat the oven for 5 minutes. So in total it is 20 minutes. Okay. Okay. Yes, yani yes. Look at these dinner rolls, buns, scones, whatever you call them where you come from. Follow this recipe to the T and you're going to get just like mine. And at this point, if you're not yet subscribed, you're supposed to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, click on that notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me just show you the back real quick.